In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in and out on screen recording in OBS Studio 2026. If you've ever wanted to highlight a small part of your screen during a recording, like a button, a menu, or a line of code, zooming in directly in OBS is the cleanest way to do it. Let's walk through the exact actions you'll take, and I'll add context so everything makes sense as you go. Start by opening OBS Studio. You'll see your preview area in the center and your controls and lists at the bottom. Before you can zoom anything, make sure you have a screen source added to your scene. Most people use either display capture, which grabs an entire monitor, or window capture, which targets a single app window. Either one works for zooming. The choice depends on whether you want the whole screen or a specific program. Next, look at the sources box at the bottom of OBS and click to select the display capture or window capture you plan to record. When the correct source is selected, a red outline with corner and side handles appears around it in the preview. That red outline is your visual cue that you're about to resize and reposition the image that will be recorded. To zoom in, move your cursor to one of the red corner handles in the preview, click, and drag outward. As you drag, the source scales up inside the black canvas, effectively zooming into your content. By default, OBS keeps the aspect ratio intact, so the image won't stretch. If you see parts of the source extend beyond the canvas, don't worry, that just means you're zoomed in. The recording will capture what's visible inside the canvas. Once you've scaled up, click anywhere inside the red outline and drag to reposition the image so the exact area you want to feature is centered. Take a moment to line it up. The canvas snapping guides can help you keep things neat. When you're ready to zoom back out, grab a corner handle again and drag inward until the entire source fits the canvas. If you want to instantly restore it to full view, right-click the source in the preview, choose Transform, and then Fit to Screen. This command snaps the source to the canvas size, so there are no black borders or overhangs. That's the full workflow. Select your screen source, scale up with the red handles to zoom in, drag to reframe, then scale down or use Fit to Screen to zoom back out. Practice a couple of times in the preview to get comfortable, and you'll be ready to record clean, focused zooms whenever you need them.